Some bugs are just annoying, but others can be dangerous. These insects and arachnids are some of the most dangerous in the world. 1. Brown recluse spiders. These small spiders have a venomous bite that in severe cases can lead to tissue damage. 2. Black widow spiders. Black widow spiders have a venomous and painful bite that can cause nausea and difficulty breathing. 3. Mosquitoes. Not only are their bites itchy and annoying, some mosquito species are known to carry and transfer diseases. 4. Brazilian wandering spiders. These large, hairy spiders have very painful bites, and their venom can affect blood pressure. 5. Asian hornets. Nicknamed murder hornets, these bugs are known to wipe out an entire colony of bees in minutes. When they attack in a group, their venom can be strong enough to kill a human. 6. Puss caterpillars. They may look cute, but if their toxic spines attach to your skin, they can be more painful than a bee sting. 7. Africanized bees. These killer bees don't have stronger venom than most bee species, but they're more aggressive. They're known to chase after people who they've seen as a threat for more than a quarter mile. 8. Bullet ants. Bites from a bullet ant are said to feel like a gunshot wound. To make it worse, pain can last up to 24 hours. While these bugs are known to pack a punch, most of them rarely produce fatal bites or stings. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.